I scaled my business from around $13,000 per month to around $100,000 per month by following these 5 steps. Now here's the deal. You can choose to not follow these steps. Permission fully granted. This is your business. You can do whatever the heck you want with it. But let me tell you, it will take you longer to scale. And by the way, that's totally okay. Like, that's your call. You get to run a business how you want to run a business. I just am here to let you know what would help me scale my business from a 6-figure coaching business to a 7-figure coaching business. Step number 1, choose your best selling offer and sell that one program for a year straight. So you probably already know, as soon as I said, pick your best offer, you know what that is. Probably you've had more students in it or whatever it might be. You probably know which offer is your best offer. What I'm telling you to do is only sell that offer for a year straight. Sell one offer, not 2, not 10, not 20, one offer. That's it. Pick one. You're not going to have an upsell. You're not going to have a downsell. Just that one offer for a year. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to get really freaking good at selling that one program. You're also going to build up a ton of testimonials. Let me show you how many testimonials we have on my one offer. When you're only selling one thing and you're selling it for a year, you build up a ton of credibility and a ton of testimonials. Step number 2, become very well known and very well established in your industry for one specific thing. Let me give you a couple examples, right? You have a social media coach versus an Instagram lead generation coach. One is general, one is specific. Mindset coach versus money mindset coach that helps overcome mindset blocks. General, specific. My thing is getting clients, right? I am very, very good at getting clients, not just for myself, but I'm also incredibly good at helping other people get clients. So I'm very well known in my space for my program, They Get Clients Now program, and just in general for being one of the, if not the best, probably frankly the best. I really think about it. I think about our 2,000 plus testimonials we have. We're probably the best company at helping people get clients in our space. In fact, I scaled to $1 million company and I'm on track working towards an 8-figure company doing this one thing by becoming really, really good at helping other people get clients. Step 3, you probably already know this one, so we're not going to spend a ton of time on it, but you do need to make Step 3, but you do need to make sure that you're selling this one offer to one niche. So you probably already know this. If you've hit 6 figures, it's likely you've picked your niche. But here's what I will say, something that I do see a lot of entrepreneurs mess up, especially 6-figure entrepreneurs mess up. They don't match the price point of that one offer. It's not a good pricing fit for their audience. So either they're charging too little, which could be a bad fit for the people in your niche or a bad fit for the people in your audience, or they're charging too much. So I know people who are stuck selling a, $6,000 program to people who are just getting started in their business. Well, it's no freaking wonder it's taking forever to scale. It's the wrong price point. I would say probably 8 out of the 10 entrepreneurs that I talk to don't have the price of their offer perfectly aligned with the audience themselves. So that would be something I would prompt you to take a look at. Y'all know about niche. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time on that, but I will say, make sure your price of that one offer you're selling is a good fit for that niche. Step number 4, you're going to promote that one offer on one social media platform. If you've been in my world for a little bit, you know that I talk about how important it is to just be on one social media platform. This is not going to be new information to you. I talk about it a lot, how you need to focus on one platform. If you want to know why and further, there's a video that we make talking about how to focus on one platform and why you should focus on one platform. But I'm going to add an interesting new anecdote. So Ryan is my newest member of my 100K mastermind, and she has 100,000 followers on TikTok, right? It's a significant size of audience, but guess what she did? She only focused on growing TikTok. So she was able to grow quite a large following on TikTok because she actually focused on one platform. Now she's focusing on the second platform, and we're going to be building up her email list. So we're going to get her email list to 100,000 subscribers on her email list. But she was able to actually build massive traction because she focused on one platform. So again, this was before Ryan even came into my world. She didn't even know this. I think she said that she had watched a bunch of my free videos and she'd, been in my world for a while. So she did implement that advice that she got for free. But the cool thing is now she's coming into my 100K mastermind and we're able to really do a lot because she focused on one platform. So if you're feeling like you're kind of half-assing it on a bunch of different platforms right now, let this be the day that you decide, okay, you know what? I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to go all in on one platform. I'm going to cut the bottom 80% that's really not performing very well. And I'm going to go all in on that 20% that's really giving results for me. Step number 5, you are going to rinse and repeat for a full year. So you're going to stay more focused than you've ever stayed focused. I can guarantee you, you have not focused on one thing for a year. I can just guarantee you, because if you did, you'd be part of the 1% and you'd either be in my 100K mastermind or you'd be already at 7 figures. Most entrepreneurs who have not yet hit significant income amounts have not learned to ignore their shiny object syndrome. Let's be real. Most of you watching, that's going to apply to you. It's okay. We can do better. We can improve. That's why we're here. We're here to learn. But we also want to be realistic. We want to face our reality. We want to face what we're currently needing to improve on. Got to focus on those initial 4 steps for 1 year. You just have to do it so that you can actually build traction. By the way, if you're interested in the 100K Mastermind, it may or may not be a fit for you. We really only take on 1 or 2 students every single month. We're very, very choosy about who we let into that space. But if you're interested and you're very serious about taking your 6-figure business and turning it into a 7-figure business, I do have a video that kind of walks you through what we're looking for when it comes to how we accept students in that program. So if you're interested, here that is. I just wanted to quickly go over the 100K Mastermind, what's included, just give you some quick details on what this all is about. So essentially, 100K Mastermind, what we want to do is we want to double your income in 1 year, and we want to get you to 100K months in 3 years. So the way this works is we basically give you the ultimate game plan to scale your business. And what we've done, it's really cool and it's working super well for our students. I'm super proud of them. We've created these scaling projects. And so the scaling projects stack on each other. And so the idea is you implement one scaling project, it adds 10K per month to your revenue. Then you add another scaling project and adds another 10K per month to your revenue. And so the idea is implement 10 scaling projects and bam, you're at 100K months cash collected. And our students who are sticking with it and are implementing it and are actually doing it, it's working super well for them. So a couple examples of some of the scaling projects you're going to get access to. There's just a lot of different things depending on what's going on in your business, and we'll assign you projects based on what you need and what's going to make you money the fastest. But could be 100K courses, 5-figure launches, low ticket sales machines. So we enroll 400 plus customers a week. It's kind of amazing. Email marketing, that's a big one. Our students, typically one of the first things we do is we help them get their list up to 10,000 subscribers for free. So for you, it could be a big one. Scaling with DMs. There's just a lot of different projects. And what we're going to do is take a look at what you've got going on in your business and assign the right project so that you start hitting that 10K and then 20K and then 30K and then 40K and then 50K, etc., as quickly as possible. You're also going to have high levels of accountability. Each person's going to have a personal coach that's assigned to you to help you make sure you're actually completing your projects, helping you when you get stuck. I will also be bringing in other millionaire friends, 7- and 8-figure earners, who are going to share what's worked for them. And then a couple things here. So here are some results. You can see here, Kat added $80,000 to her launch just from one of the things that I taught her. She says, your training was the only thing I changed in my business last launch, and I ended up bringing in an additional 80,000. Lori posted that she's celebrating a 6-figure cash month. And then Sarah's been hanging at 135. She's actually a little higher now, as I think are all of these students, but still super exciting, really proud of them. Here's the thing though, here's what we're looking for. So I want you to look this page over. Here's what we're looking for. Right? So we're looking for high vibe women. I'm actually extremely protective of this community, which is why we allow so few people into this community, because it is intimate and it is intentional. And so we say that we refuse to allow you to play at a level that's anything less than phenomenal. So this is what we're looking for. You got to believe that you want to be wealthy and successful. You have to be ready for that, and you're going to do whatever it takes to make that happen. Here's what we're not looking for. So if this sounds like you can just not a good fit, and that's okay. We're fine. We'd rather be really protective of that community to keep it as amazing as it is. So we're not looking for tire kickers. We're not looking for low vibe complainers, people who believe that there's a secret to success. There's no secret to success. It's just a lot of really proven business strategies that are implemented well. So here's what we're going to do. First step, if you're interested, is and you want to be considered to be accepted, you're going to fill out this short application form. We're on the other side. We're going to review it. If we feel like it's a good fit, we're going to reach out to you and walk you through the next steps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, it's absolutely up to you. If you want a business like that, you can 100% have it. If you like this video, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.